is Mardia.
My name is Maulida Tunisa. Let's start the presentation.
First, we start with definition. The definition of action research classroom is classroom action research is a research classroom that conducted by teachers in their own classroom by designing, implementing, and reflecting on action in a collaborative, participatory manner with the aim of improving their performance as teachers, thereby increasing student learning outcomes. Next
is purpose and benefits. First, the purpose is to help teachers improve the quality to their learning. It means teacher can design it better lesson and make learning more effective for students. Second, it is about improving teacher professionalism. Teachers are encouraged to develop themselves, follow good teaching standards, and become role models for students. Third, this process will increase teacher confidence. When teachers feel more prepared and skilled, they will be more confident in teaching and managing the classroom. Last but not least, it helps teachers to effectively develop their knowledge and skill. So teachers are not only teaching but also continuously learning and growing in their profession. I will explain the basic process of classroom action research. The first is plan development. In this step, the teacher will find the real problem in the classroom. After find the problem, teacher will plan an action plan to solve this problem. And the next is action. This is implementation stage. The teacher carries the action plan during the classroom activities. And the next is observation. While the action being implemented, the teacher will observe and collect data. The observation is very important because it provides the evidence about how the student respond to action. And the last is reflection. After the teaching and observation are done, the teacher will reflect on the result and it means analyzing whether the action was effective or not. Next. Tools in classroom action research. The first is file notes. The teacher can write down what they observed in the classroom. And the second is anecdotal notes, which is a short description about specific event or behavior of students. And the third is ecological behavior description, which just explains how students behave in the learning environment. And next, daily logs and itemized cards are useful to record student progress and a classroom event in detail. And other tools include log, document analysis, and sociometry, which can be used to study relationship between students. And teachers can also use technology like video recording. Next,
our last point is the steps of classroom action research. There are 7 steps. One is identify and formulating problems. For the first step is find a real problem in the classroom. This problem must be important, realistic, and fixable. For example, students are less active in asking questions or have trouble in understanding the material. Two is analyzing the problem. After the problem is found, we analyze it more deeply. We find out the cause, either through discussion with students or other teachers or looking at theories and references. Three is formulating a hypothesis of action. A hypothesis is a temporary guess about a solution. For example, if I use the group discussion method, students will be more active. The hypothesis must be testable in the classroom. 4. Developing an action plan. Next, we make a clear plan of what method to use, what media to use, or data collection techniques and how to implement them. 5. Implementing the action. The plan that has been prepared is then implemented in the classroom. The implementation must be flexible because conditions in the file can be different from what we plan. 6. Analyzing and interpreting data. We analyze the data collected. Is there any chance? Can the problem be reduced? Analysis is done to see the direction of real improvements. 7. Make a result report. The last step is to compile a report. The report. This report contains the process, result, and reflection. It is from this report that we can see that learning in the classroom has really improved. Sudah?
That's all for us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.